Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find Smart Manager. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the battery and enter battery detail. And as you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got 3 different options, which are only connected with the percentage. You cannot change the graphical icon. Here, you can do not show the battery at all, so you've got only the battery icon. You can display it inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So it's of course up to you, whichever option you would choose. Next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon, your device will immediately display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.